Hey folks, today, the dreaded shed project. I have not been looking forward to this. This has been a place where we've thrown junk for the last 25 years. But let's get it cleaned out. I have some ideas for this place. Hello, Lloyd. Boy, those forks sure come in handy, don't they? All right, so now we're just gonna load everything into the bucket, throw it in the dump trailer and get rid of it. Although some things I'm gonna keep, we'll go through the blower and toolbox, but for the most part, it's trash. Hey folks, so it is a couple days later and kind of a gloomy day, but we're gonna continue on our shed project. You can see we've gotten a lot done. You can see how full the dump trailer is, but we have a lot more to do. So let's get this thing finished. Well folks, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have a lot more in store for that shed. We're gonna put sides on it, turn it into a solar shed, and put a fuel tank in there. So definitely subscribe if you want to see the rest of it. And also click the little bell button so you know when we put new videos up. I'm gonna end the video with a quick time lapse of us covering this sucker up and getting it to the dump. We'll see you guys next time.